Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Wow. So hello there. This video is going to talk about the one thing that's really important to me and a lot of my subscribers. And that is, what do I need to do to actually understand how to bring the potential cleaning customer to my website? How do I get the traffic so that I can scale my cleaning business to six figures and beyond within 12 months? So this isn't for 2 years or 3 years. This is specifically what I teach on this channel is to specifically get you to a six-figure business and beyond within 12 months. Well, one of the things you have to do is make people know that you're there. Hello, I'm here. You've got to get them aware. They have to know that you even have a cleaning business. That's the first step. So when I talk about the 3 pillars, that falls under attraction. So if you want to know what you need to do to get your customers aware that you're there, you need to find one channel, one source. Focus on that one source. Once you've gotten to 10K, then you can go off in all different directions. But focus on one source, whether it be podcasts, YouTube videos, blogging. Find one source, one channel. And I like to call this traffic light approach. So the traffic light approach is green, meaning it's working. You're getting traffic in, your customers are calling, and I always say, you know it's working if you're getting 4 or 5 phone calls a day. The second thing is yellow, means you really haven't put any energy into it, so you don't know if it's going to work or not, but you don't know for sure, but you definitely need to find out. And red means it's not working at all. You're not getting any traffic, and in today's day, we can find that out rather quickly. If you do not get a bite with the paid ad within 48 hours, the ad isn't working. Maybe your copy isn't good, what you're saying isn't attracting them, the photo you're using, the video, whatever it is, it's not working. So this is what you can do and implement, and we can get changes very quickly in today's day. In our markets today, we know what's working and what's not very quickly. So this is something you can implement right away. And if you would like a checklist of what you can do to actually scale your business, then make sure you text me. Make sure you text me so I can send that send that checklist to you. It's a guide on every little step you need to actually scale your business to 6 figures and beyond. It's an actual ebook, a guide that we've just gotten. I've got a wait list for it. So please send me your email and I will send that out to you as soon as we can. All right. Send your email, text it to me. Text to 407-986-8228. That's 407-986-8228. That will reach me and our little group of people that are here for you to make sure that we're going to get you that checklist or that ebook, that guide. It's going to give you the step-by-step on what you need to do to get customers now. And feel free also to sign up for our masterclass. That is another great source for you to make sure that you want to know what you need to do in 30 days. So either the checklist, text to me at 407-986-8228 or register for our free masterclass where we'll show you instantly what you need to do to get customers within 30 days or less. Okay? So until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.